Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an olympia cremina espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work. We pretty much had to overhaul the whole thing, starting with the cyclist. The cyclist was completely clogged. There was a scale wheel up inside the water tank, and we had to pretty much get in there and scrape it off. We also replaced all the cyclists. We replaced all the little gaskets. Most of these gaskets had to be some of them some kind of custom made in a way to make them fit to this machine. This machine is really old. We had when we were trying to remove the piston, as you see here, this pin over here was completely rusted all the way inside, and there was no way we can actually remove it. So the best way to do it was to just cut it off and replace the whole piece, and that's how we were able to remove this piston and replace the gaskets that are inside the piston head and groove head. We also replaced the gaskets from the steam one, and again it was a little bit difficult because some of these gaskets are pretty hard. This machine hasn't been used for a really long time as well, so it was a lot of little things that we had to pretty much clean and remove and stuff. So it was definitely a lot of work. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out this machine. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And unfortunately the grind that I picked for this machine is really fine. It's definitely not the grind that needs to be used for this machine, but as you can see we're still getting good crema coming out of it. We're going to get 1 ounce of coffee, which is what this group holds. Yeah, unfortunately the grind that I picked was a little bit too fine for this machine, as you can see with so coffee barely dripping, but still a good shot nonetheless. And then for the steam down, working perfectly fine, in good temperature, and working excellent. And there you have it, Olympia Cremina working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.